Think humans always win against nature? Think again. In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. Yes, those big, goofy birds. Farmers were fed up with emus munching their crops, so the government sent in the army. Armed with machine guns, soldiers thought it'd be a walk in the park. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. These emus were like ninja birds, dodging bullets and running in zigzags. After days of chasing, the soldiers managed to take down only a few emus. The rest, they kept on munching. In the end, the army withdrew and the emus claimed victory. That's right, folks. Humans 0, emus 1. So next time you think you've had a bad day, just remember, at least you didn't lose a war to a bunch of birds, and that's the story of the Great Emu War. Stay tuned for more wacky history.